Welcome back to Mobility Solutions. We have a product to unbox, the new Golden GB152-XL Plus.
Chris, what are you doing? It's not even moving. Golden's new Buzzaround XLX. Brand new scooter model is the GB152. It has the micro turn, four-wheel turning, sharp turning for a four-wheel. It has spring shock suspensions. It has adjustable feather touch tillers. I'm using my foot to adjust it. Swivel seat all the way around. Tires are about 7 inches in height, maybe a little bit higher, 7.5, and they're kind of fat for a small scooter, about 2.5 inches. Now here's what's cool also about it. It's got the new magnetic charging feature, so you don't have to worry about like the plug. It just magnetics to the side. You can charge it through the battery pack. You can charge it through the tiller. You can go on an airplane with this. It does have the lithium everlasting batteries. You have the option to get it with a single travel battery or a dual battery for extended distance if you're not flying. It's got a really nice battery indicator, speedometer. Check this out, Louis. I know that's blurry, it's going over, maybe he can plug it in, but you got your speed right here, your battery life, it's all digital, your speed's all digital. As you slow it down, it brings it down. You have a horn, it's not that impressive. You have a light button here where it activates single light.
And now it's a whole row.
Yep, so you got two ways of doing your lights. There's your whole thing. You'll also have the lights on the side and a light at the back. You can change these light color sequence. You can make them different. Blue, yellow, light blue, purple. So you're like, well, I don't need the lights. Well, you might need the lights if it's dark outside and you're going to a concert, you're going trick-or-treating with your grandkids or your son or your daughter. You're riding it on a sidewalk and you got to go through some crosswalks, and sometimes it gets darker earlier. The zoo. I mean, there's a lot of reasons why these lights can be a benefit. You don't have to have them on, but they're there if you need them. I do like that they did that, to be honest with you. I love this. Another thing, this seat is a lot better than they've had before. A mesh back. It's real comfortable. It's real breathable. It feels good. Flip back arms, adjustable width arms. Disassembles. I'll show you how it disassembles really quick. Big basket. It's new. Swivel seat. It's not a fold-up unit. Nice grip on the floorboard. Again, full suspensions for for a small compact scooter. We're gonna go ride it around in some dirt and some grass. To disassemble it, seat's about 20 pounds. The arms can be removed to make it lighter and fold up. And this battery pack, I think this is the single battery. I don't know what's inside of here, which one I have. This is super light. I'm talking about light as they come, very light. So here's the cool part about this. If you want to leave this in your car, carry this inside the charge, you can do that. Again, here is the new charging dock that they have. It just magnets on. That's very nice. Again, this is a lithium ion battery, ever run. Basket comes off up here. It's a slide on bracket. You could probably do a leverage loading type thing that goes down nice. This will move on you, but all you do is you turn that, it locks into place. This is probably a little too heavy for you to pick up. I'm not sure exactly how much that weighs. Louis will pop that in, but you can disconnect it very easily. I think this is like 40 something. So it is a little heavy compared to some units, but it offers bigger tires. Still a small, medium-sized unit. Legroom's great for me. Different color shrouds. You see it's in the red. You can get it in blue. I'm sure they'll have some other colors that comes out. I'm not really sure the wattage of the motor, but I would imagine 250. Suspensions, foam tires. Connect it back. Very easy. Do that. So compared to some things, you got to twist the knob to bring it down. All of this is pretty quick. But what you get when you're buying this over some fold-ups is you get swivel seat. So if someone needs a unit for inside their facility, that maybe they live in a nursing facility, they need a four-wheel scooter because they feel more stable. This does have the micro turn, so it turns real sharp, but this is important. If you need to get on and off of it, pull up to a table, you'll like having a swivel seat. It's very smooth. I like it. Let's run through some steel slag. So if you're buying this and you need something for outside, can it handle the gravel? That's thin gravel, here's thick gravel. It didn't make it, but not much does. It really doesn't. This is very, very thick rock. If you have a driveway, it's usually going to be more like this. Now again, this has the limit, like the slow down feature on the turns. Goes about 5 miles per hour. It sounds like it's really bumpy, but it's actually pretty smooth and very comfortable. I can ride on that. Smooth surface is great. It's rolling, baby. Yep, 5 miles per hour is the speed. So I just took it for a spin in the grass. Now, I want you to be aware, Golden makes a lot of different units. If you're looking for something you can want to disassemble and you don't want to fold up scooter because you want something a little more comfortable, this might be the one. Now they make the EX version that's bigger. That would be better for the grass than this one. And they also make the Eagle and the Eagle All-Terrain. So there's a lot of different scooters they have to fit your lifestyle. We need to figure out why you need this scooter. Now we know you need it for mobility. We get that. But what's the main reason for it? Is this the perfect scooter for you? Probably not. I'm not sure. But it meets a lot of things people are looking for with the lithium battery, with the comfort, with the swivel seat, spring shock suspensions, something that's able to go through grass, go to the parks, something that you can disassemble and put it in the car if needed, something with easy adjustable tiller, something with lights. People want lights. This has the lights. It does do different colors. It's really, really cool. Call us. This is the reason for this channel, is we do reviews of products. We do unboxings, repairs, product reviews. We're always looking for new products. And when you call us, we're able to talk to you and really help you decide on what to buy, because we're around this all the time and we see so many different units. So I suggest, if you're looking for a mobility scooter, don't just go on Amazon and buy the cheapest one you can find. Try to buy it from Golden Technologies, a big manufacturer that's got a lot of dealer support. Go visit a local store. They have a dealer locator. You can go look wherever you are, Golden Technologies, in their dealer locator, put your zip code in there. You can find a lot of dealers like me. You can always call me and I can help you. I can talk to you. I can answer your questions. I can see if this is the right one for you, or if it's not the right one for you, or if they have something else in their scooter line that's going to be better for what you're looking for. So here's the review of the GB152, the Buzz XL, with the lithium batteries, the feather touch adjustable tiller, the micro turn, the swivel seat, the LED lights, the mesh back seating, the digital dash, interchangeable shroud colors, personalizes, make it something different. This is red, it has blue, comes with blue. They also give you a little cup holder that goes in this basket. This is a bigger basket that you see on most units. You also get a phone holder. Give this thing a shot, see what you think. Call us and let us tell you what we think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.